Good morning, students. That is VU ma'am in front of you, the science teacher of Lesson 2 School. Today I am going to teach the first lesson of class 7, and the first chapter is the language of chemistry. This is the first lesson, the language of chemistry. We know that there are so many languages in science, such as language of physics, language of chemistry, language of bio, etc. But in this lesson, we have to read about language of chemistry. And for your kind information, I would like to say that J.J. Berzelius laid the foundation of this language in the early 19th century. In this language, an atom is represented by a symbol. A molecule is represented by a formula, and the chemical reactions, chemical changes are represented by a chemical equation. First of all, we know that what is symbol. What is the definition of symbol? A symbol is an abbreviation of the name of an element. Symbol is an abbreviation. Abbreviation means the short form, the first letter of an element, that is called symbol. The symbol of elements have been derived in three different ways. First way, the first letter of the English name of an element. We know that there are so many elements present in our earth, such that their name are hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, silicon, etc. These are the name of elements, and we have to know about their symbol. The first letter of the English name of an element. I am going to write that name of elements which first letter derived, which their first letter is the symbol. First, hydrogen. It is the name of element. Hydrogen is an element, and its symbol is H. Its first letter is H, so its symbol is also H. Second, boron. Its first letter is B, so its symbol is also B. Third, carbon. Its symbol is C, because the first letter of carbon is C. And next, nitrogen. Its symbol is N, because nitrogen is starting with N letter. These are the name of elements which the first letter of the English name of an element. Second, the first letter along with one more letter of the English name of an element. This becomes necessary when the name of two or more elements begin with the same letter. We know that carbon is also C. Symbol of carbon is also C. So whenever we have to denote another element which is starting from the C letter, at that time how would we identify that it is carbon or other element? So whenever the more than one elements derived from a single letter, at that time we have to take first letter and one more just after that letter take for their symbol. So here also the name of that elements, helium, and its symbol is He, because the name of hydrogen, it also started from H, and helium also started from H. Then how can we identify that it is hydrogen or helium? So helium just H after E. Due to it, we take the both symbol H and E, and then we can identify that H and E is all symbol for helium, and only single H is symbol for hydrogen. Second, neon. and its symbol is Ne. We have just read before that nitrogen symbol is N, and also neon is starting from M. So the both element symbol may be N, but scientists have proved that Ne is symbol for neon, because no two elements same symbol. After that, nickel, its symbol is Ni. Magnesium, symbol is Mg. These are the two symbols. After that, one or two letters of the Latin name of the element. The third symbol is more elements derived from their Latin name, and their symbols are also on the basis of their Latin name, such as name of elements, and their symbol. Sodium is also an element, sodium, and its first letter is starting from S, but its symbol is Na, not S, because its symbol is on the basis of its Latin name natrium. The Latin name of sodium is natrium. Due to it, its symbol is Na, not S. In the same way, potassium, its starting letter is P, but not its symbol is P. Its symbol is K, due to its Latin name kalium. The symbol of potassium is K, because the Latin name of potassium is kalium, and its symbol is K on the basis of its Latin name. Also iron, its symbol is Fe. It is starting from I, but not its symbol is I, because its Latin name is ferrum. So its symbol is Fe. Again, copper, its symbol is Cu, because its Latin name is cuprum. After that, silver, and its symbol is Ag, because its Latin name is argentinum. Such type, there are so many elements which their symbol is on the basis of their Latin name, not on their real name or common name. In this chapter, today we know that a symbol is an abbreviation of an element. The symbol of elements have been derived in three different ways. First, the first letter of the English name of an element. Second, the first letter along with one more letter of the English name. And third, one or two letters of the Latin name of the elements. That's all. Again, we meet in our next video.